Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss about Wireshark. So before getting into Wireshark, let us know what is Wireshark and how to download Wireshark and why Wireshark is used. So what is Wireshark? Wireshark is a protocol analyzer. It is also known as network packet analyzer. It is used to troubleshoot network problems, to examine security problems, to verify network applications, debug protocol implementations. We can also learn new protocol internals. Now, this means Wireshark is designed to decode not only packet bits but also the relation between packets and protocols. We will know what is a packet and what is protocols. Now, Wireshark understands protocol sequences. It is a tool for examining packets on the internet and different mediums such as wireless mediums or different Ethernet ports. It is a graphical network packet analyzer. So here packets are stored in the form of PCAP files. So what is a PCAP files? PCAP files is known as the packet captures and it is most widely used packets capture format. So in order to download Wireshark, let me tell you how we can go. We can go to a website called wireshark.org. See, this is the part Wireshark. So here the Wireshark page came. Okay, so from this part from this way we can download the Wireshark. So these are the different versions, and the recent version is 3.6.3, which was released on March 23. According to your system configuration, you can download from here. So just click on the part. Okay, for example, my one is Windows 64-bit, so I can click here. I'm not downloading because I have already downloaded and installed it. Okay, and during installation procedure, just go the default way. Okay, after completing the Wireshark, you will get the desktop icon here. You can see this Wireshark. So let us open it and see what happens in Wireshark. So we can see these are the files that I have opened. So here we can see my system is connected through Ethernet. That's why we can see there are some network changes we can see here. So by double clicking on that, I will go to a next window. In that window, we can know the different parts. There are basically three parts are there. One is packet list, second is packet details, and the third one is packet bytes. So before getting into this, I think you know about the OSI models that we have learned in data communication part, that is called as open system interconnection. So there are different layers are there, seven layers are there. The topmost layer is called the physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer. There are various types of layers are there, and we can analyze these layers by using this. So let me double click on the Ethernet wire chart. See, these are the packets that are being captured from my system and to my system. Okay, the first part I will explain you the upcoming parts. Okay, before that, let me tell you this part is called as the packet list part. This is called as the packet detail part, and the last part is called as packet byte parts. I will explain you all in the upcoming videos.